Dronamics Black Swan cargo drone completes first flight. By DroneLife staff writer Miriam. Crosby. Premier cargo drone airline Dronamics announced the successful first flight of its Black Swan flagship aircraft at Bulgaria's Balchik airport, showcasing the potential for the logistics industry to improve the efficiency of the transportation of products. Brothers Konstantin and Svilen Rangelov formed Dronamics out of a mutual desire to determine a faster, more affordable, and environmentally friendly method of delivering goods. The company's ultimate goal is to make day delivery available to everyone, everywhere. Its successful completion of this milestone achievement is the result of months of ground testing and subscale flights. 2 commercial airline pilots operated the Black Swan aircraft remotely from the Dronamics ground control station. The Black Swan offers a maximum cargo capacity of 770 pounds and is able to reach a speed of 200 km/125 miles per hour. It is able to travel a maximum range of 2,500 km/1,550 miles per hour, equivalent to the distance from New York City to Austin, Texas. With its successful completion of the flight test, the company's licensed cargo drone technology has been validated for commercial flights in Europe, which are scheduled to begin later this year to serve a range of industries including e-commerce, pharma, spare parts, and perishables, with a rapid and affordable solution to fulfill evolving consumer needs. Since the day we first imagined what the Black Swan aircraft could look like, we've worked towards this flight, said Dronamics co-founder and CTO Konstantin Rangelov. Today we've made history and are proud to have demonstrated the validity of our drone technology. It's taken an enormous amount of hard work, belief, and drive to prove that what we envisioned works, said Dronamics co-founder and CEO Svilen Rangelov. We can now focus on the next step, the rollout of our commercial operations, and we couldn't be more excited. This news follows Dronamics' recent achievements of joining the UK's first medical drone distribution centre, raising a total of $40 million in pre-Series I funding, and its announcement of partnerships with Zero Petroleum and Cranfield Aerospace Solutions to utilize fossil-free alternatives as a power source for the Black Swan's engine.